Okay guys, hey, how are you? So I thought I would show you how I go about heat pressing it. Um, I get down on my floor because it's just easier, and I put a some kind of mat underneath the item that I'm going to heat press. And this, I think it just came with my set actually, but it's like you'd be fine with an iron board or somewhere that it wouldn't hurt where you were ironing on, but just I use that heat mat. So I have my heat press. I actually have an off brand called Off Nova, and it is a super substitute. I've had no problems with it, thank you Lord. And of course it's in my favorite color, so I had to do that. And I just have it set at 300 degrees and for 30 seconds. So it's already warmed up. So once I have, like I said, I had to dry my entire ink project, and then I am going to take a piece of parchment paper, guys. Make sure you don't ever use wax paper. You will ruin your, you might ruin your heat press, but or your iron, but you definitely would probably ruin your garment as well, or whatever fabric you're trying to heat press. So this is how you do it. It's so simple, so easy. I just kind of find out where is the design, have the barrier between my heat press and my parchment paper, the barrier between that and my ink project, and then I just hit start, and it counts down 30 seconds. I usually move it around the whole design and make sure I've touched every part of it. You can also turn it inside out and do the back side as well if you'd like, just for good measure. I don't necessarily think you have to do that. And then also another little trick that you can do is you can, after you've heat set it, if you want, you could throw it into a dryer for a little touch-up setting, or like 10 minutes, and then that will also additionally make it so that you can be sure that it is definitely heat set. But after that, it's ready to wash and wear, or just wear as it is. I don't usually wash my projects after I've inked them. I just wear them. Usually they're brand new or they're clean when I go ahead and put the ink project on it. And after I press it, I just go ahead and wear it, and then we're set to go. And with this being a jean jacket, you don't even have to wash it often. But again, if you do wash it, you don't have to have any special care. It's not like you have to only line dry it. You can only hand wash it. You have to turn it inside out or anything like that. It should be fine, and it will be ready for many years to come. And now it is completely heat set and ready to wear. So I hope that helped you guys, and I hope that you'll give it a try. Thanks so much for joining me. Please make sure and you come back and see me next time. All right, see you guys.